Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to wire transfer using the Bank of America app. First, open the Bank of America app and log in to your account. Next, tap Transfers and then choose Wire Transfer. Now, enter your recipient's bank details. This includes their account number, routing number for domestic transfers, or SWIFT or BIC code for international ones, along with the beneficiary's name and address. After that, type in the amount you want to send. Review all the details carefully and then confirm the transfer to complete it. And that's it. Your wire transfer will be processed shortly. And that's how to wire transfer using the Bank of America app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.